Alright, so this is the voiceover for me, myself, Matt the Pirate. Stop laughing! Alright, okay. So let's see, for the intro, it's gonna be, okay, top of my head, ha-ha! Or actually this, ha-ha! Yeah, I like that one. For the taunting, oh wait, did we just do that one?
Do it again.
Ha-ha! Ha-ha! Let's see, for...
You have to do the attacks.
Oh yeah, the attacks. Ha! Ha! Ha-ya! Kya! Alright, that's the attacks.
And then death.
And then death. Or this one.
I can't.
Sounds like I'm like joking.
Oh, is it going?
Yeah.
Oh, it's going.
So just do like do exactly what Matt did. Wait, try not to be too close. Try not to be too close to the mic, but like. Do like the headbutting sound effect.
Is that good?
Yeah, do that again.
And we need the death, right?
Keep doing the headbutt sounds because that's one of your main attacks.
Ow, my head. Okay, what now?
And do a death.
Ow.